Hey guys, welcome to M&M Plants. Today I want to share what should be done at the beginning of the spring each year so that your plants, they grow a lot, they bloom a lot, and they have a very healthy life. They can get that strength to grow when it's a little warmer compared to what it is in winter season at your place. Now it's September and it is supposed to be, officially it's supposed to be spring in Australia. I can't feel that because we are still in single degrees, but hopefully we will get a little warmer in a few days. So I know that because spring is about to come and we are at the doorstep of the spring, this is what I would do every year so that my plants, they get that energy to grow in the warmer season and they can grow a lot because they have been dormant for past 4-5 months when it was very cold, but now it's no longer the same case. Let us have a look what needs to be done. So the first thing is I'll take a lot of organic compost. You can buy it from your nearest garden center. In goes a lot of bone meal powder. So this bone meal powder and organic compost, I'll mix it properly. This will give a lot of strength to my plant to grow, and I will feed my plant using this. So if there is a lot of soil in the pot, you have to make sure you remove the top 2 to 3 inches of the old soil and you feed your plant with this fresh new soil. And you can do it for all the plants you have, whether it is an indoor plant or an outdoor plant, a flowering plant, because this is all organic, so you can use it for any plant you want. I, for example, am using for this plant, which is a flowering plant, and the same mixture I can use for my indoor plants such as my peace lily over here. If you have a look, this is my peace lily. I can even use it there. So this is what I'll do. I'll mix organic compost with a lot of bone meal powder. You can also mix cow manure if you like. Prefer using compost, organic fertilizer than chemical fertilizer. Now this solid fertilizer, the thing is, this will release the energy slowly. Once you have added this, you do not need to add anything for at least 2 months. After 2 months, if you want, what you can do is you can feed your plants with liquid fertilizer so that you don't have to remove the soil again and you don't have to do that process again. But the first feeding that you need to do in spring should be a solid fertilizer thing, fresh soil, fresh compost, and you can do that for any plant. Like I've done it for my indoor plant, peace lily. Look at the health of my plant. It's doing good. I want it to bloom now in the warmer season. That's why I've given it a lot of compost. Similarly, this plant, I am not really sure of the name, to be honest, but it's a flowering plant and I just want it to bloom. So I have added it here as well, and I have done it for my umbrella plant as well, the variegated one. This is not a blooming plant, but still it stays outdoor. So no matter what your plant is, you can do it, and this will help you to see the result that you're actually awaiting to see in the warmer season. It's a little bit of work, I agree, but the result is worth it. Do try this and let me know how you go. Definitely do it for your plants. They'll be very, very happy. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye for now.